Tired of kitchen clutter? Today we are checking out smart Amazon kitchen products that help save space and keep your kitchen organized. Let's get started. Links are in the description below. Number 1. Spreccio Canisters Sets for the Kitchen. This is a kitchen storage set designed to organize dry food items like sugar, coffee, flour, and snacks. It helps keep your kitchen neat, saves counter space, and makes ingredients easy to access. It also keeps food fresh for longer and reduces pantry clutter. Number 2. KES Pot Rack Wall Mounted. This is a strong wall-mounted kitchen rack designed to hold pots, pans, and utensils in one place. It helps free up cabinet space and keeps cookware within easy reach. It improves kitchen organization, saves storage space, makes cooking more convenient, keeps your kitchen neat and accessible, and solves the problem of cluttered cabinets and hard-to-find cookware. Number 3. SMRCAD Magnetic Spice Rack for Refrigerator. This is a space-saving spice rack that attaches to your refrigerator with strong magnets. It keeps spices organized and easy to reach while cooking. It saves cabinet space, improves kitchen organization, and makes cooking more convenient. Number 4. Skroam 10-pack glass meal prep containers. This is a set of durable glass containers designed for storing and prepping meals in advance. They are perfect for keeping food fresh in the fridge or carrying meals on the go. It helps with meal organization, reduces food waste, saves time in cooking, and solves the problem of messy food storage with a clean and reusable solution. Number 5. 3 Seagulls Baker's Rack with Power Outlet. This is a kitchen storage rack with shelves and a built-in power outlet. It helps organize appliances in one place, saves space, keeps the kitchen neat, and reduces clutter. Number 6. PAKETA 4-pack Expandable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. This is a smart storage system designed to fit inside cabinets and pull out smoothly for easy access. It helps organize kitchen items like pots, pans, and supplies neatly. It improves space usage, makes items easy to reach, reduces clutter, and solves the problem of deep, hard-to-access cabinet storage. Number 7. AmzAge Coffee Maker Countertop Organizer. This is a compact kitchen organizer designed to keep your coffee maker, cups, and accessories in one place. It helps create a dedicated coffee station and keeps countertops tidy. It saves space, improves organization, makes coffee preparation easier, and solves the problem of messy and scattered coffee items on the counter. Number 8. WACOI Auto Rolling Fridge Egg Organizer. This is a smart refrigerator storage tray designed to hold and automatically roll eggs forward for easy access. It keeps eggs neatly organized and visible. It saves fridge space, improves organization, ensures older eggs are used first, and solves the problem of messy egg storage and difficulty reaching eggs at the back. Number 9. Cook with Color Glass Olive Oil Bottle Dispenser. This is a stylish glass bottle designed to store and pour olive oil or cooking oil in a controlled way. It helps reduce spills and gives better control while cooking. It keeps your kitchen clean, improves pouring accuracy, saves oil, and solves the problem of messy oil bottles and overpouring. All products links are in the description below. Number 10. Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer. This is a smart storage rack designed to fit under the sink and organize cleaning supplies neatly. It has multiple layers for bottles, brushes, and tools. It saves space, improves organization, makes items easy to access, and solves the problem of cluttered and wasted under-sink space. It also helps prevent bottles from falling over and keeps cleaning essentials neatly arranged in one place. Number 11. Felli Flip Chit Food Storage Container. This is an airtight storage container designed to keep dry food items fresh and organized. It has a flip-lock lid for easy opening and secure sealing. It saves space, keeps food fresh longer, improves kitchen organization, and solves the problem of spills, moisture, and messy pantry storage. Number 12. Viretec Rice Storage Container. This is a sealed storage container designed to store rice and other grains safely and hygienically. It keeps food fresh and protected from moisture and pests. It saves space, improves kitchen organization, allows easy dispensing, and solves the problem of messy rice storage and food contamination. Number 13. YIHONG 6-pack Clear Pantry Organizer Bins. This is a set of clear storage bins designed to organize pantry items neatly. It allows easy visibility and quick access to stored food and supplies. It saves space, improves kitchen organization, makes items easy to find, and solves the problem of cluttered and disorganized pantry shelves. Number 14. BEESVO Under Sink Mat Kitchen. This is a waterproof protective mat designed to fit under the sink and protect cabinets from leaks and spills. It is easy to clean and durable. It prevents water damage, keeps cabinets clean, improves kitchen maintenance, and solves the problem of hidden leaks and messy under-sink areas. Number 15. JoyServe Deli Food Containers. This is a set of durable food storage containers designed for storing leftovers, meal prep, and deli items. They are stackable and reusable for easy storage. It helps keep food fresh, improves kitchen organization, saves fridge space, and solves the problem of messy food storage and wasted leftovers. Number 16. Mixeshop Under Sink Organizer. This is a multi-layer storage rack designed to organize cleaning supplies under the sink. It helps keep bottles, sprays, and tools neatly arranged. It saves space, improves organization, makes items easy to access, and solves the problem of cluttered and hard-to-use under-sink storage areas. All products links are in description below. Number 17. Utoplike In-Drawer Knife Block. This is a smart knife storage system designed to keep kitchen knives safely inside a drawer. It has individual slots to hold each knife securely. It saves counter space, improves kitchen safety, keeps knives organized and sharp, and solves the problem of exposed knives and cluttered countertops. Number 18. Mystozer Magnetic Spice Rack. This is a space-saving spice storage rack that sticks to metal surfaces like refrigerators. It keeps spices organized and easy to reach while cooking. It saves cabinet space, improves kitchen organization, makes cooking more convenient, and solves the problem of messy spice storage and limited kitchen space. Number 19. Sooyee 32 Capacity Egg Holder. This is a large capacity egg storage container designed to keep eggs safe, organized, and easily accessible in the refrigerator. It has a stackable and space-saving design. It saves fridge space, prevents egg breakage, improves organization, and solves the problem of messy egg storage and limited refrigerator space. Number 20. Bobomoment Acrylic Cabinet Organizer. This is a clear acrylic storage organizer designed to neatly arrange kitchen items inside cabinets or on shelves. It helps separate and store items in an organized way. It saves space, improves visibility, reduces clutter, and solves the problem of messy cabinet storage. If you enjoyed these Amazon finds, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing products like this.